Welcome to this video presentation, Educational Blogs, Analysis and Critique. My name is Nakia Waters. We'll get started with what successful blog components are, and this was found in a Forbes article, which will be referenced at the end. You must have a strong title and strong lead sentence for your blog to really draw people in and catch their interest. Useful subheadings and graphics. Someone should be able to use those subheadings to get to the information they want, and the graphics should be appealing and add to the blog. The body should be informative, and there should be a call to action. There should be a purpose for your blog, something that you want people to believe, do, or understand. And the information in the body paragraph should be informative, should give people information that they could use. The description should be present so that others can find your blog easily, and there should be relevant links as well on your blog site to help people to get more information. When thinking about successful blogs, because this is about education, we should consider what teachers need. So there should be tips for classroom implementation, knowing that teachers have limited time. They should be quick and simple reads. The assertions made should be backed by professional expertise and backed by scientific research as well. The first blog that we are going to explore is Free Technology for Teachers. It's written by Richard Brine. Richard Brine provides free apps and tools for teachers to implement in the classroom immediately. The tools range in user ability level, so if you aren't as tech savvy, there are some technology tips for you there as well. In terms of components, the title and leads and subheadings are all clear and concise and effective. The graphics and the videos are appealing, and the information is very informative. I would say that this website would benefit from having more white space in between the blogs, as they seem to all run together. In terms of teacher needs, the information provided helps with classroom implementation. He provides specific tips for how to use the technology. And although the blog is not backed by scientific research, because it is very specific in the technology tips and techniques, it isn't really necessary. It's really a how-to type of blog. The blogs are very short and paired with videos, which is very helpful, YouTube videos that are by Mr. Brine, so that you can pause them, try the step, and go on to the next step. Overall, this blog was very useful for teachers. The Innovative Educator is the next blog that I examined. It's by Lisa Nielsen. She provides tools to students who are in the classroom in order to increase engagement, so teachers can help increase engagement. She also provides implementation tips. In terms of the components, the subheadings are helpful, and the call of action is effective in her blog. However, the graphics and the videos do not truly add to the information that is presented. The graphics and the videos are YouTube videos made by someone else. And the information that is presented, or the way the title and the lead is presented, isn't very strong. It doesn't draw the reader in. Teacher needs, the blog site has some fitness tips as well. There are blogs about fitness, which isn't on brand for a blog that's talking about an innovative educator and you're expecting tech tips. So I think that can be a bit confusing. The blogs are quick reads and they are simple, which is good, but there isn't any research backing her assertions of which tools to select or why she selected those tools. The last blog that I found was EdTech Roundup. You can think of this as an award-winning source of EdTech news. They keep you up to date on new apps and new developments in the field of education technology. For the analysis and critique, let's talk about the components first. So the titles are very long because they are the titles of the books that are being reviewed or the app that is being reviewed. And so long titles are usually a no-no, but I'm not sure how he would get around this. Um, there aren't any subheadings for his blogs, but that isn't an issue because the articles are extremely short. There isn't any need for subheadings because of the length of the articles. The graphics are used to highlight the tech tool or the book, so they're not always appealing, but that wouldn't be a reflection of the creator of the blog as they are the cover art for the book or the article or the tool, and he would not have power over that. In terms of teacher needs, this blog site also includes lesson plans, which is very helpful for teachers. The lesson plans are all about how to incorporate EdTech into the classroom, and he has lesson plans for not only elementary school students but secondary students as well. The blogs on this site are also very short and not backed by any scientific research. The references that I use for this site are the Forbes article, The 8 Essential Elements of a Successful Blog Post, as well as Top 10 Ed Blogs You Should Know from Bold Learning Solutions 2022. And here you will find the citations for the 3 blog sites that I selected and the specific blogs that I honed in on when doing my critique. So you have The Innovative Educator, Help Students Become Fluent Readers by Literacy Tools from Microsoft at Microsoft.edu, Free Technology for Teachers, Art, Culture, and Geography Games to share in Google Classroom. And for the EdTech Roundup is going on an extended hiatus. Egg Circuit taking over in the meantime. So I would say if I had to rank these for teachers and in the use of the classroom, the Free Technology for Educators is the most useful, quick, easy tips for teachers to use in the classroom. Thank you for your time.